Do you know how plants eat or breathe? Ever wondered what makes the flowers bloom or how a tiny seed can grow into a towering tree? Plants might not walk or talk like us, but they are living, breathing beings with their own amazing ways of functioning. From the roots buried deep in the soil to the leaves dancing in the wind, each part has its own unique role. Well, plants have their own unique way of living, just like us. Let's dive into the fascinating world of plants. In the plant world, roots are like superheroes, doing a lot of essential work. They may be out of sight, but their role is far from insignificant. Firstly, roots are the plant's anchor. Like a ship's anchor keeps it from drifting in the ocean, roots keep the plant steady and secure in the ground. Without them, plants would simply topple over or get carried away by wind or water. But anchoring is just one of the many tasks roots perform. They also act like straws, sipping water and nutrients from the soil. This nourishment is what helps the plant grow and stay healthy. Imagine trying to eat a meal without a fork or a spoon. That's how important roots are. Lastly, roots are a bit like your pantry. They store food that the plant can use when it's not able to make its own, such as in winter. So next time you see a plant, remember the superhero roots are working hard beneath the soil. Moving on to the stem, which is like the plant's highway system. Imagine a bustling city highway with cars zipping back and forth. That's what the stem is to a plant. But instead of cars, we have water, nutrients, and food. The stem acts as a sturdy support system, holding the plant upright and reaching towards the sunlight. Just like how highways connect different parts of a city, the stem connects the roots to the leaves. It acts as a conduit, ferrying water and nutrients absorbed by the roots all the way up to the leaves. But wait, the stem's job isn't done just yet. It also transports the food produced by the leaves during photosynthesis to the rest of the plant. It's like a food delivery service, ensuring every part of the plant gets the nutrients it needs to grow and thrive. The stem, a true highway of life, ensuring every part of the plant gets what it needs. Now let's talk about the leaves, the plant's kitchen. Imagine the leaves as the plant's personal chefs, busily working away to cook up the plant's food. But instead of using pots and pans, they use sunlight and a gas called carbon dioxide. This cooking process is known as photosynthesis. Let's break that word down. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So photosynthesis is all about putting together with light. Quite literally, leaves are using the power of sunlight to whip up a meal. But what's on the menu, you ask? Well, it's a simple sugar called glucose, which is the plant's main source of energy. But wait, there's more. While the leaves are busy cooking, they're also performing another vital task. They're breathing out oxygen. Yes, you heard that right. Plants exhale oxygen, the very same oxygen that you and I need to breathe and stay alive. This process is similar to how we humans breathe out carbon dioxide, which the plants then use for their photosynthesis. It's a beautiful cycle of giving and taking, a perfect example of how interconnected all life on Earth truly is. So the next time you see a leaf, remember it's not just a pretty part of a plant. It's a busy kitchen, a breathing apparatus, and a crucial part of the life cycle on our planet. And that's how leaves cook up a storm, feeding the plant and giving us the precious oxygen we breathe. So, plants might seem quiet and still, but they're busy working all the time. Isn't it fascinating how each part of a plant, no matter how small, has a crucial job to do? The roots, for example, are like the plant's personal chefs, preparing a nutritious meal from the soil's minerals and water. Then there's the stem, the plant's very own delivery service, ensuring that water, nutrients, and sugars reach every corner of the plant. And let's not forget the leaves, the real heroes of the plant world. They capture sunlight and turn it into food, a process we call photosynthesis. It's like magic, isn't it? But it's not just about the plant. It's about us, too. Plants help create the oxygen we breathe, and they're a vital part of our ecosystem. And there you have it, the secret life of plants revealed. So next time you see a plant, remember, it's not just standing there. It's working hard just like us.